In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly set up a virtual machine using the Azure portal in approximately 5 minutes. To get started, you'll need to make sure you have an active subscription and the necessary permissions, which are essential for making use of Azure's resources. So, let's dive into the process. Begin by logging into the Azure portal. You're going to want to navigate to portal.azure.com in your web browser. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Azure dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From the dashboard, you need to find the search bar located at the top and type in Virtual Machines. This should bring up an option for you to click on, and from there, look for the plus Create button. Clicking this will lead you to Azure Virtual Machine, essentially opening up the Virtual Machine Creation Wizard. In the Creation Wizard, you'll find yourself in the Basics tab, where you'll need to fill in the required fields. First, choose your subscription and create or select an existing resource group, which helps organize and manage resources. Next, you'll enter a name for your virtual machine. Make sure it's something memorable so you can easily identify it later. After that, choose a region where you'd like your machine to be hosted. Opting for a region closer to your physical location can often yield better performance. You'll then need to select an OS image, and a common choice is Windows Server 2022 Data Center, though you can choose another if it better suits your needs. Provide a secure admin username and password. This is crucial as it will be your login credentials for the virtual machine. Don't forget, under Inbound Port Rules, to select RDP with port 3389 for Windows. If you plan to host a web service, you might also want to enable HTTP on port 80, but for now, feel free to skip any optional fields. For the subsequent tabs like disks, networking, and other settings, it's perfectly fine to leave everything at its default settings, especially when setting up a test VM. Default settings are designed to provide a good balance between performance and security, making them suitable for getting started quickly without diving into complex configurations. With these details set, click on Review plus Create. The portal will take a moment to validate your settings, checking to make sure everything aligns correctly. Once that's done, confidently click on Create, which will start the deployment. Remember, this process might take a few minutes, so be patient. After deployment, head over to your virtual machine's overview. Here, you can see valuable details like its public IP and current status. To connect to your newly created VM, select Connect, followed by RDP. Download the .rdp file, open it up, and log in using the admin credentials you provided earlier. You might encounter a certificate warning. It's usually safe to accept it in this secure environment. And just like that, you've successfully connected and now have a functioning Windows virtual machine ready for exploration or testing in Azure. Well done.